Hello, this is Sarfraz Ahmed from Pakistan. Today I will share some information about my skills and expertise. So let's start. This is the admin dashboard of a WordPress website. Website name is alexmonaco.net. This is the website which I am building up currently. On the left side you can see different tabs. Here you can see the analytics details like total impressions, total clicks, keywords, average position, and some other useful information. To create new posts and modify created post, click at Post tab. To upload any content like images and videos, click on Media tab. To change themes and customize any theme, click on Appearance tab followed by Theme tab. To install new plugins, click at Plugins tab followed by Add New. We can change web page settings by clicking on Settings tab. So these are my skills which I am offering. If you want to create a new or modify your WordPress website for property, for online store or any other purpose, you can contact. Looking forward to hear from you soon. Thank you.